For months, Tesla has kept the timeline for the Model 2 under wraps, but now it has been spotted during testing, and the leaked release date might truly shock you. A leaked production schedule, secret factory upgrades, and internal reports are painting a very different picture of what's really happening behind the scenes. Once again, Tesla is shaking up the entire auto industry, but the most important question is, will the $25,000 price tag actually become a reality? And when will the Model 2 officially be unveiled to the public? That's what we'll dive into in today's episode. Welcome to Techno Creators. Before we begin, please help us reach 5,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great tech episodes. Tesla's upcoming Model 2 may be the most important product launch in the company's history, targeting the mass market segment with an affordable electric vehicle. By analyzing Tesla's historical patterns and recent developments, we can make informed predictions about when the Model 2 will reach consumers worldwide. Looking at Tesla's typical product rollout pace, especially with the Model 3 and Model Y, a clear pattern emerges. Tesla usually maintains a 9 to 10 month gap between the unveiling event and the start of production. We can expect an initial launch event in the fourth quarter of 2025, generating hype and reservation momentum with Tesla's signature brand appeal before production begins. According to several insider sources, contrary to Elon Musk's public statements, the Tesla Model 2 will feature a minimalist yet refined design. The budget-friendly model will strip away most of the unnecessary design elements found in the Model 3 and Model Y, focusing instead on a redesigned drivetrain system. Tesla plans to enter new markets with the Model 2 by the end of 2027, including several countries where Tesla currently has no presence. In the Middle East, deliveries are expected to begin in February 2027, followed by South America in April 2027. Most surprisingly, the plan includes a specific allocation for India starting in quarter 2 of 2027. Despite regulatory challenges in India, this suggests a breakthrough deal may have been made behind the scenes, making these delivery timelines particularly credible. There is supporting infrastructure evidence as well. Documents detailing specific supercharger expansion goals align precisely with the delivery timeline. These include 320 new V4 supercharger locations set to go live before deliveries begin in each region. Tesla has already secured permits for 118 of these locations, as confirmed by our investigation into local planning offices last week. Economic competition is putting Tesla under immense pressure. BYD overtook Tesla to become the top-selling EV brand in 2023, largely due to ultra-affordable models like the $11,000 Seagull. This makes Tesla's Model 2 production plans all the more urgent. U.S. tax policy, specifically the $7,500 EV tax credit, may change or become unavailable after 2025, meaning launching while buyers can still benefit from it is crucial. Meanwhile, Giga Texas is targeting an output of 240,000 units in 2026, a 30% increase over 2024 production, aligning with the planned start of production in mid-2025. Competitors, like Fisker and the Volkswagen ID.2, are also aiming for mid-2025 launches, but neither can match Tesla's scale or its battery technology advantage. Bringing the Model 2 to market first would solidify Tesla's dominance in the affordable EV segment. As part of the third stage of Elon Musk's master plan, Tesla is targeting a global fleet of 700 million electric vehicles to drive a complete shift toward clean energy. Central to this strategy is the introduction of the Tesla Model 2, an entry-level EV anticipated to launch at approximately $25,000, aimed at making electric mobility accessible to the general public. Industry forecasts suggest that the Model 2 could sell over 40 million units throughout its lifetime, potentially becoming Tesla's best-selling and most influential model yet. However, it's impossible to overlook Tesla's history of delays, most notably the Cybertruck, which was postponed by up to 2 years. If the Giga Nevada factory fails to scale up battery production to 100 gigawatt-hours by 2026 as planned, a delay in the launch of the Model 2 is entirely possible. In that scenario, the vehicle might only be unveiled in late 2025, with deliveries starting sometime between early and mid-2026. That said, current signs suggest Tesla is better prepared this time around. Gigafactory Mexico, expected to be the production site for the Model 2, is under rapid construction. The supply chain is more streamlined, and growing competition from Chinese EV makers like BYD and Xiaomi is pushing Tesla to move faster. With all these elements coming together, the Model 2 is expected to usher in a new era of affordable electric vehicles, expanding access to EVs on a global scale. If you're considering it, this may be your chance to be among the first to own this potentially game-changing vehicle. Tesla has shown interest in sodium-ion battery technology since 2021, and today, this technology is beginning to prove its real potential. According to Spencer Gore, former battery module design engineer at Tesla and now CEO of Bedrock Materials, sodium-ion batteries can offer a driving range of up to 300 miles, depending on usage and environmental conditions. This is comparable to the performance of current LFP batteries, but at only 1/3 of the production cost. Specifically for the Model 2, a sodium-ion battery pack with a capacity of 50 to 60 kilowatt-hours is expected to deliver a range of up to 310 miles on a single charge, enough to make the trip from Los Angeles to Las Vegas without stopping to recharge. This represents a significant leap forward, especially when compared to other low-cost EVs on the market. For instance, the BYD Seagull currently offers a range of only 190 to 250 miles. Beyond its impressive range, the Tesla Model 2 also stands out for its fast charging capabilities. While previous battery systems like the 4680 or LFP took around 20 minutes to reach 70% charge, the new technology enables the Model 2 to charge up to 80% in just 10 minutes. This marks a true breakthrough, effectively addressing one of the biggest concerns among potential EV buyers: long charging times. With its combination of low cost, high performance, and ultra-fast charging, the Model 2 is redefining the standard for affordable electric vehicles and creating a significant gap between itself and competitors in the same segment. Why is Model 2 not a regular product? Tesla may not be launching just a new car, the Model 2, but also introducing a completely new method of vehicle manufacturing. That is precisely why this release could be unlike anything we've seen before. The company appears to have perfected what it calls unboxed manufacturing at a secure facility in Nevada. This radical approach is expected to reduce the number of assembly stations by more than 50% compared to the process used for the Model 3. Just think about that for a moment, producing a fully featured Tesla with only half the assembly stations. How is that even possible? The answer lies in Tesla's advanced gigacasting technology. While traditional automakers are still assembling cars from hundreds of stamped metal components, Tesla has reimagined the process. For the Model 2, Tesla's gigacasting innovation cuts down over 370 individual parts to fewer than 10 main structural components. Each Model 2 requires only 8 major casting operations, compared to 47 steps in the production of a similar gasoline-powered vehicle. The difference in production speed is truly remarkable and could reshape not just Tesla's manufacturing strategy, but the entire auto industry. An internal Tesla document reveals that producing a single Model 2 takes only 9.4 hours, compared to the 25 hours typically required for a conventional electric vehicle. To put it another way, Tesla can roll a new Model 2 off the production line every 30 seconds. This remarkable manufacturing efficiency explains how Tesla plans to meet its ambitious delivery timeline, targeting the first quarter of 2026. Driving this accelerated timeline is a revolutionary battery strategy that breaks with traditional industry norms, as we have explored in previous videos. While competitors often commit to a single battery technology years ahead of production, Tesla is taking a more flexible approach, choosing the optimal battery solution just months before Model 2 enters production. This adaptability gives Tesla a significant edge in both cost and performance, allowing it to respond to technological advances and market dynamics in real time. Additionally, Tesla's Hardware 4.0 computing platform delivers an estimated 250 trillion operations per second, compared to 144 trillion operations per second in the current FSD computer, an 81% increase in processing power while consuming 70% less energy per operation. The Model 2 will be equipped with 12 upgraded cameras, as well as ultrasonic sensors and the return of radar, offering a new level of sensor redundancy. The reintroduction of radar is perhaps the most surprising move in Tesla's lineup, but it reflects the company's responsiveness to customer demand for enhanced sensing capabilities. Perhaps most importantly, the shift from a 12-volt low-voltage electrical architecture to a 48-volt system will reduce weight and significantly simplify the vehicle's wiring. This improvement not only boosts efficiency, but also shortens assembly time, helping Tesla stay on track for its 2026 delivery timeline. Next-gen AI-assisted driving is another key factor in the accelerated timeline of the Tesla Model 2. The vehicle's predictive regenerative braking technology analyzes traffic patterns, road geometry, and individual driving habits to optimize energy recovery. This system can add an impressive 90 miles of additional range per charge, giving Tesla a distinct edge that competitors simply cannot match at the Model 2's price point. The improved efficiency of the AI system also allows for smaller battery requirements, which simplifies production and lowers costs. At the same time, Tesla's ongoing Gigafactory expansion strategy offers further evidence that the company is preparing for the high-volume rollout of the Model 2. Unlike competitors who are still grappling with battery supply chain logistics, Tesla has already secured access to key battery materials. The company has made strategic moves to acquire lithium processing capabilities and has signed long-term agreements for critical minerals. This resource control aligns perfectly with its 2025 to 2026 production timeline. By acting swiftly, Tesla is positioning itself to dominate the battery supply chain long before other automakers finalize their own plans. How will Tesla produce an electric car at a cost of just $13,569? But what we see is quite concerning before we even begin. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to help us reach 5,000 subscribers. It really helps with YouTube's algorithm, allowing us to reach more people who are interested. A huge thank you to our amazing supporters who make these deep dives even more exciting. And you can ring that bell to get the latest notification if you don't want to be left behind. All right, let's get started. A masterpiece of engineering borrowing the best elements from the Model Y, Tesla has made a significant impact on the affordable EV segment. Today, we're revealing everything you need to know about what insiders are calling Project Redwood. When Tesla announced that the Model 2 would have a production cost of just $13,569, many were skeptical, wondering if this was truly achievable or just another ambitious promise from Elon Musk. To understand the reality, we first need to look at the challenges involved in producing electric vehicles. Tesla has long been associated with premium features and high price tags. The Model S starts at around $80,000, the Model X at $85,000, and the Cybertruck is priced up to $72,000, making Tesla's EVs a financial stretch for most Americans. Considering that the median household income in the U.S. is just around $60,000 per year, and monthly car payments can easily exceed $1,000. Owning a Tesla has remained a distant dream for many. The complexity of designing, manufacturing, and managing the supply chain for electric vehicles has made the cost of a Tesla a major barrier for many. Everyone wants to own a Tesla, but not everyone can afford one. And that's exactly where the Model 2 comes in. This vehicle doesn't just enable Tesla to sell more cars, it also aligns perfectly with Elon Musk's vision of making EVs a mainstream choice for everyone, so that every person can have access to electric transportation. Built on the Cybercab platform, the Model 2 will borrow certain existing design elements from the Model 3 and Cybercab. One standout feature is its color-dyed plastic exterior panels, designed for easy customization and replacement. Unlike traditional painted exteriors, these panels are less prone to visible scratches, since the color runs through the material, cutting repair costs and hassle. Tesla also confirmed during its Q3 2024 earnings call that the new model will feature a more energy-efficient powertrain, enhancing performance compared to existing Tesla models. This new drive unit is likely to be shared with the next-generation EV platform, meaning the Model 2 will also achieve lower energy consumption per mile. Despite its affordable price, the Model 2 is not simply a stripped-down version of Tesla's premium vehicles. Tesla's engineers have ensured that the Model 2 retains the advanced technology the brand is known for, without compromising on safety, performance, or practicality for small families. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.